What's going on, guys? 24/7 Tech here, and you guys might have noticed there is this cool laptop on the road, the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo. Just looking at it, there's something different about this. Everything is different about this except for the screen. Wait, speaking of the screen, there are two of them on the device. There's a keyboard on the bottom left and a trackpad on the bottom right. Why don't we talk about that in this video?
As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more awesome tech videos in the future.
Now, as I said in the clip before, guys, take 1 second out of this video to subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference. So what is the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo? The ASUS has already made dual screen computers before. As you can see right here, this computer has a screen and the trackpad is also a screen. But this one is something different. It's like they took the touch bar on the MacBook Pro and made like 32 of them in a row. It's huge, it's massive, and it looks like another screen on that thing. It has a 32:9 aspect ratio. As you can see here, as you can see right here, you can use it as multiple things. In this example, it's like a piano. ASUS also said that you can use it as two 16:9 screens, so you could have your main YouTube on. You could have like YouTube on this screen, and something you're searching up here, and like your main video editing thing on the main screen. That's amazing. All right, let's talk about some features that you get with this computer. Number one, there are two dual 4K screens, one on the main screen and one on the bottom. Yeah, there's a 4K screen on your keyboard. That's amazing, guys. A second one is, this has a nice keyboard. It has some nice tactile feedback, and it's all RGB backlit, so it looks pretty cool. And as you can see right here, the keyboard looks pretty sick, but my sort of gripe is that it's in a weird location. It's not in the classic sort of central location, so you gotta get used to it. But as soon as you do, then it'll be breeze to work, because it's a really good keyboard. So another feature is the processing. Not just the CPU, but even the GPU is out of the world here. This computer is sort of going against the MacBook Pro because it's aiming towards content creators, and so is the MacBook Pro, of course. So the graphics card that it comes with is an NVIDIA RTX 2060 GPU, which completely throws the AMD Radeon Pro graphics in the MacBook Pro away because it's so good. The CPU, on the other hand, is about the same, but the MacBook Pro might be better for content creators because it is a macOS system, so if you're into editing in something like Final Cut Pro, it is faster because Final Cut Pro is just really nicely available for a Mac. So it comes all the way up to an 8-core i9 processor, just like the MacBook Pro does. And by the way, these processors were released like not too long ago. And these two computers, the MacBook Pro and the ZenBook Pro Duo, are one of the first computers to have this, and that's really awesome because think about it, an 8-core CPU in a laptop that's about 4 to 5 pounds is just mind-blowing in my opinion. Talk about the I/O on this computer. It has a really nice blend of I/O, unlike the MacBook Pro, which only has 4 USB-C ports. This one has one Thunderbolt 3 port, 2 USB-A ports, a headphone jack, and an HDMI port. HDMIs are sort of rare, especially if you have a Thunderbolt 3 port. I mean, it's sort of not necessary, but for some people who do want HDMI ports and are using older monitors or something, this is useful. But I'd rather them put 2 USB-C ports instead of the HDMI port in there. 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A would be awesome. That's just a dream. But the headphone jack is still there as well. The MacBook Pro also has it, so I'm still happy headphone jacks are in computers, but I feel like they're gonna go out pretty soon. But for audio professionals, the headphone jack is a must, and this computer still has it. Now, the one gripe that I do have is that it is not too portable. Coming in at around 5.5 pounds, it is pretty heavy. It's not an ultra portable, but if you think about it, for the processing and the adaptability that it offers, I mean, 5.5 pounds isn't a lot. But if you do compare it against something like the MacBook Pro, which only is 4 pounds for a 15-inch computer, it sort of blows your mind at how thin and light Apple's computers are, which does lead to thermal throttling, but still, it's pretty impressive, and even the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo can't offer that. Let's talk about the availability now. The pricing, we don't know yet. The pricing has not gone up yet, and the release date hasn't gone up yet. We really don't know much further details about it, but ASUS tells us that the pricing and release date are coming pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. This is a really nice computer though to look at, but is it really worth it, or would people go for maybe something else? We really have to know the price though, because if this thing is around $4,000 to $5,000, I mean, not many people are willing to shell that much money out for a laptop. But if it's something as like if it's something like a MacBook Pro price, like $2,500, maybe you could see some content creators going for this, especially because it has the dual screens. You never know. Thanks for watching, guys. 24/7 Tech signing out. Please subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.